Today I am going to tell a story. It's regarding how we can make a difference by doing small things. A single ordinary person still can make a difference, and a single ordinary people are doing precisely that every day. Chris Bojalin, Vermont-based author and speaker. The story is adapted from The Star Thrower by Lauren Isley. The Starfish Story. One step towards changing the world. Once upon a time, there was an old man who used to go to the ocean to do his writing. He had a habit of walking on the beach every morning before he began his work. Early one morning, he was walking along the shore after a big storm and had found the vast beach littered with starfish as far as the eye could see, stretching in both the directions. Off in the distance, the old man noticed a small boy approaching. As the boy walked, he paused every so often, and as he grew closer, the man could see that he was occasionally bending down to pick up an object and throw it into the sea. The boy came closer, still, and the man called out, "Good morning, young chap. May I ask what it is that you are doing?" The young boy paused, looked up, and replied, "Good morning, sir. I'm trying to throw some starfishes into the ocean. The tide has washed them up onto the beach, and they can't return to the sea by themselves." The youth replied, "When the sun gets high, they will die, unless I throw them back into the water." The old man replied, "But there must be tens of thousands of starfishes on this beach. I'm afraid you won't really be able to make such a difference." The boy bent down, picked up another starfish, and threw it as far as he could into the ocean. Then he turned and smiled and said, "It made a difference to that one." Friends, we all have the opportunity to help create positive change. But if you are like me, you sometimes find yourself thinking, "I'm already really too busy, and how much a difference can I really make?" I think this is especially true when we are talking about addressing massive social problems, like tackling the world hunger or finding a cure for the current COVID or cancer. But it pops up all of the time in our everyday lives as well. So, when I catch myself thinking that way, it helps me remember the story of the starfishes and the young boy. You might not be able to change the entire world, but at least you can change a small part of it for someone. We can make some difference in someone's life. They say that one of the most common reasons we procrastinate is because we see the challenge before us overwhelming, and that a good way to counter that is to break the big challenge down into smaller pieces and then take those one at a time, like one starfish at a time. So, One starfish can make a world of difference. Isn't it? Are we ready to make a difference in this beautiful world? Thank you. Signing off for today.